Okay, so in question number 6, there's a vessel which contains a mixture of two liquids A and B, and they are in the ratio of 7:5. When 9 liters of mixture is drawn off and the vessel is filled with B, the ratio of A and B becomes 7:9. Liters of liquid A contained in the vessel initially was how much? Okay, so in this question we are given a particular ratio of A and B, that is in the ratio of 7 and 5, 7 parts of A and 5 parts of B, and then some part of the liquid is taken off. This is given out to be 9 liters. 9 liters of mixture is drawn off and the vessel is again filled with same quantity, that is 9 liter, and this part, but this time it is only addition of mixture B, and the ratio is, the new ratio now is 7:9. So 9 liters is firstly subtracted and then later it is added, so the quantity of liquid remains same. So if X was the quantity earlier, that is the addition of A and B, then in the second case also the quantity of overall liquid would remain same, that is X. So the only difference that is actually taking place, if you consider the ratio values, is over here. So 9 minus 4, that is 4 units are changing when we are making this particular progression, that is when we are taking 9 liters of the liquid and when we are adding 9 liters of B in it. So 4 units are corresponding to 4 units in this ratio is corresponding to 9 liters. So 1 unit would correspond to 9 by 4 liters, right? So if we consider the absolute values, that is the absolute quantity available in the mixture, we'll consider a particular variable X. So 7x is the total amount of liquid of this type of liquid A, and 9x would be total amount of liquid B present in the mixture. So overall this is 16x. 16x is the total volume of the mixture that is present in the vessel, right? So now we know that 1 unit corresponds to 9 by 4 liters. So how much would 16x correspond to? So for that you will multiply 9 by 4 into this 16. 4 times 4, 4 times 9 is 36. So this overall volume available in that vessel is 36 liters. So 36 liter is in case 1 as well as case 2, right? So for in order to get liquid A, which was contained in the vessel initially, you will write 7 parts over 12 because you are adding 7 and 5 over here. Initially 7 parts were there of that of liquid A and 5 parts were there of that of liquid B. So you would write 7 parts of liquid A initially over a total of 12 parts in liquid in the overall mixture, and that you will multiply it by 36 because 36 is the overall volume of the vessel in which these two liquids are actually mixed, A and B, right? So this is how you will get the parts or the volume of the liquid A. So if you get this thing cancelled, you will get 21 liters as your answer. So all you are doing is you are finding out the difference in the ratio. Where is it lying? So here we have arrived at the conclusion that this 4 unit change, 9 minus 5, that is 4, is corresponding to the change in the mixture, because earlier we are subtracting 9 liters from the overall mixture and further we are adding 9 liters of liquid B in the mixture. So 4 units are changing because of this particular operation, At the same time, the volume of liquid is remaining out to be the constant because 9 liters are earlier taken out and 9 liters are being added. So we have to consider that this particular quantity would remain constant, and that is how we arrive at the solution.
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page, where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.